most glorious day, so let's get outside and film. That's what I'm doing today. So welcome to Lisa B Fitness. Today we are doing a serious booty burn. In 2 days time I want you to wake up and get out of bed, and I want your bottom to be on fire, and I want you to think of me and just feel lucky to have come across me on YouTube. So yeah, real butt burner today. Let's get on with it. It's around 10 minutes, all on the glutes. So come into 4-point kneeling, or you can be on your forearms because you're going to do all glutes. So first of all, arms are straight, so take an inhale through the nose. Exhale, pull the belly in, so abs are engaged the whole time as well. So now take the right leg back and you're just going to lift and lower. Keep it nice and straight. We're going for 20 here. So don't swing it around, don't use any momentum, because then you're not going to be really engaging the glute. There's 5, 6. Pull the belly in, arms are nice and straight, really squeeze your bottom. 12, 13. 14, 15, 16, really keep that leg nice and straight. 18, 19, 20. Other side, left leg, take it back, straighten it out, point the toe, pull the belly in, up and down. 20 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the belly in, straighten the arms. Tension in that leg, squeeze in the glute. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Back to the right side. So donkey kicks, keep the leg at a right angle, push through the heel, subtle small movement up and down with the knee. Belly is in, arms are nice and straight. Let's go for 20. And remember to breathe. It's always important to remember to breathe. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Other leg. So right angle push through the heel, 20 reps. So I've set up in the garden today. It's actually a lot hotter than I anticipated. So I'm absolutely sweating, and we've just started because it feels like it said 20 degrees on my phone. I think it's lied to me and I've kind of lost count. Let's do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to the other leg. So take it up, now flex the foot, really push through the heel, bring that right leg across the body, almost like you're trying to touch the right inner thigh to the left inner thigh. Try and keep the torso nice and still, 20 reps. Straighten the arms, pull the belly in. And remember, sometimes it's really hard to engage the glute. Sometimes we just swing the leg around. Try not to do that. This is a real mind-body connection move. So abs are in and you're really squeezing the bottom here. Feeling it in the bottom, maybe a little bit in the hamstring as well. Let's go for 10 more. Don't worry if you forget about your abs. Pull the abs in. Straighten the arms. 17, 18, 19, 20. Other side, left leg, lift it up, flex the foot, keep it flexed the whole time, come across the body, press the inner thighs together. 1, 2, 3, 4, belly is in. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, pull in the belly in again, straighten the arms. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You probably can't see it, but I've got a bit of sweat rolling down my arm there. Oh, so attractive. Right leg back. Back to the start. That was just a little warm-up. So we're going to stay on the same side. So right leg back, lift and lower. 1, 2, we're going to up the intensity a little bit by doing all the same sides, all the right side. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 14, pull the belly in. 15, we're doing 30 reps actually. Let's go wild, let's do 30 reps. 18, 19, 20, don't let the back dip, don't let the lower back collapse. Oh, lost count. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, hold it up, bend the knee, flex the foot, 30 presses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. If you're doing this right, you should really feel your bottom now. It should be a little bit hot, a little bit of fire in there. 5 more, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straighten the leg, flex the foot, come across the body. 30 of these. Keep the torso nice and still. Abs are in, arms are straight. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm sure it's about 30 degrees at the moment. It feels like it's 30 degrees. My bottom is on fire, not just because of the glute work, because the sun is shining directly on my bottom. But I'm just gonna stick it out here. I'm just gonna sweat it out for you guys to get your bums toned and strong. Let's do 8 more. 1, 2, keep pushing through the foot, keep the arms straight, belly in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, left leg, take it back. Straighten the left leg, point the toe up and down. 1, 2, 3, belly is in. 4, 5, just moving a little ant. 6, 7, 8, more sweat is dripping down my arm. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10 more. 1, 2, I feel like you're doing really well. I'm going to say well done. Give yourself a pat on the bottom. You see what I did there? 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my goodness. Bend the knee, flex the foot. 30 of those little pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4. Squeeze the abs in, straighten the arms. 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep the knee high. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Straighten the leg and flex the foot. Come across the body. 1. Really tense the leg on this move. Really push through the heel. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Try and keep the horso. What's the horso? Oh my god, a new thing. The torso. Don't let the torso swing about. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Really squeeze the bottom these last 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, you can rub your bottom if you want. If you're in that kind of mood, rub the bottom. So single leg glute bridges. So lie down. Just take a moment to lie in the sun. Oh my god, the mat is boiling. Right. So feet are hip distance apart, just coming up and down with the bottom. 10 of these. 1. Look straight up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's add a little bit of intensity. Take the left leg up, straighten the left leg as much as you can, flex the heel, push through the right foot up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bottom down, leg down, right leg up. Flex the foot, straighten the leg. 10 lifts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And down, foot down. Lift the bottom now, come onto your tiptoes. 30 little pulses, stay high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Really squeeze your bottom here. If you touch your bottom, you should feel that it feels tense. Sometimes I just like to do that and feel that my bottom's tense, and then I let my bottom relax, and then I think, oh, it doesn't feel as firm as it did do. But then we can't all walk around tensing our bottom the whole time. Oh, we could. No, we could actually. Let's do 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do 30 frog bridges or frog pumps. I'm not sure what they're called. So knees are wide, heels are together. So you're going to push through the sides of your feet. So looking up again. Don't let the knees close. Keep the knees open. So push the knees down as you push the hips up. So let's go for 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Push the knees open a little bit more. Push the hips up. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, hope you are feeling good. Let's just end with a glute stretch because we will definitely need it after that. So cross your left ankle over your right thigh, lift the right foot, thread the hands through, bring the right knee into the chest and breathe. 2 deep breaths. Pull the right knee in a little bit more and down. Remove another ant. The things I do for you guys. Right ankle over the left thigh, lift the left foot, reach one hand through the centre, one on the outside. And again, breathe. Keep that right knee pushing away from you as you pull the left knee in towards you. Keep pulling it in. And relax. Oh, and let's just do 5 deep breaths. I think it's so important just to relax at the end of any workout that you do. So relax the shoulders, close the eyes if you feel comfortable to close the eyes. Drop the shoulders. Really deep diaphragmatic breathing, so inhaling through the nose, exhale through the mouth. One more breath. Just open the eyes. Feel grateful to be alive. I hope you enjoyed that little butt burner. Yeah, just comment below. And please hit subscribe. Yeah, that will help me to continue to doing these. Have an amazing day or sleep well, depending on where you are in the world. Just in time for the really loud helicopter to fly over. Anyway, love to you all, people.